welcome back to my channel, and today I'm just going to share 6 simple, easy but effective and unique tips about weight loss for the beginners. Trust me guys, these all are the mistakes which I did as a beginner, and then I came up with these all ideas. So let's begin. Now let me just ask you one simple question. What is the first thing comes to your mind when you first think to lose your weight? Think, of course, a lot of exercise and a strict diet routine. And then from the next day, with a lot of energy and motivation, we just join gym or started doing a lot of exercise or starts to follow a strict diet routine like no fat, no carb, no oil, no rice, no sugar, no chocolate, no potato, literally nothing. We just stop eating everything. And results? After 7 to 10 days, we just got so tired by this high intense workout and just got so bored with this tasteless diet food. And of course, we just lost all our motivation and energy and just stopped doing our diet and exercise, and our weight loss journey becomes a failure. Honestly, this is the most genuine problem we all have faced as a beginner. Trust me, मैंने भी ये सब फेस किया हुआ है एंड हंड्रेड्स ऑफ टाइम्स. हमें एक ऐसा रास्ता ढूंढना है ताकि हम इस डाइट एंड एक्सरसाइज को कंटिन्यू कर सकें, है ना? सो व्हाट्स द सॉल्यूशन? लेट मी टेल यू. As a beginner, you are not habituated to do any kind of physical activity, so by this intense workout from the beginning, you will be easily exhausted and tired. And you will lose all your interest and motivation, and as a result you will stop doing your exercises. So for the first 7 days, just do moderate exercise. I have already uploaded the beginners exercise in my channel. Link is on the I button guys. It's very helpful for the beginners. This tip is not only for the beginners but for everyone. If you do an effective exercise, 30 minutes is enough for that, and maximum 1 hour is more than enough. If you spend more hours in gymming and exercise, you will be so tired and you will face side effects too. So remember, you are doing exercise to fit your body, not to stress your body. Most of the beginners who does exercise by themselves makes this mistake. Not knowing exactly what to do, they start to do all the exercises at once randomly. Trust me guys, this will not help you to lose any weight perfectly. Why? Suppose you want to lose your belly fat, but you are doing exercises of thighs and arms. So obviously you will not lose any inches from your abdomen area, and by seeing this, you will become more demotivated. So before starting, just search on the net, make your list and repetitions, and then start. Still, if you have any problem with that, don't worry guys, I will tell you the exercises. Just keep connected to me. These are the foods we always eat since we were a kid, and each of them has its own benefits. So by stopping them suddenly, your body can't accept them, and you might have feel little bit side effects too. पर वैसे भी अगर आप सादा फीका खाना ही हर टाइम खाते रहोगे तो ऑफ कोर्स एक टाइम बाद जाके you will be bored and you can't continue your diet. पर ये भी सोचने वाली बात है कि ये जो सारा खाना है it will make you to gain your weight. So हमें क्या करना है? So naturally eat everything, but learn to eat in limit. Remember, limited eating is the key of your successful diet. Like eat them all, but once or twice a week or in a smaller portion. Yes, you read it right. Nowadays, junks are actually a part of our food habits, and I know in the beginning it's very hard to stop eating them. But I also suggest you to eat them because it will satisfy your taste bud and will relieve you from your diet routine. So क्या होगा, आप बोर नहीं होगे सेम डाइट फॉलो करते हुए. But remember, limited eating is the key of your successful diet. So ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको एक ही दिन मिला है खाने को मतलब आपने बहुत सारा कुछ एक साथ ऑर्डर करके खा लिया. No, don't do that. Just eat them once in every 14 days. And your goal is to satisfy your taste bud, not to fill up your stomach with only junks. And from the next day, you should start your diet and exercise again. Drinking 3 liters of water is very helpful to your body and weight loss. I know. But drinking that much of water all of a sudden will affect your appetite and digestion. So, start drinking with 1.5 liter daily. When you become used to of it, then increase your intake, but slowly. You just have to remember one thing. Changing your habits slowly and gradually will make you to achieve your goal permanently. Don't go on a rush and just be consistent in your weight loss journey.